In 1976, there was what is called Western Nigerian Marketing Board, which was particularly promoting cocoa farmers. This marketing board was abolished. Let me tell you one beautiful thing this marketing board did. You see, around cocoa farmers here, under the regional government we had, Awolowo ma fún wọn ní farm implements, ó ma fún wọn ní seedlings, ó ma kó tractor fún wọn, ó ma kó oríṣiríṣi fún wọn, ó tún fún wọn ní ilé ọ̀fẹ́. Gbogbo oúnjẹ tí Yorùbá ń jẹ pátápátá under regional government, èrú wà tó wà lókè Ògùn, part of Oyo state, nothing ṣe oúnjẹ yẹn. We had farm settlement. Yorùbá ò ever rely lórí Hausa ká tó jẹun. Sórí 1951-52 ni Awolowo ti ń lo wind farm tó ń fi winds generate electricity ní Èrúwà, ibẹ̀ ló kọ́ farm settlement fún Yorùbá fún ibi tí wọ́n fi ń produce oúnjẹ tí Yorùbá ń jẹ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la Ọbásanjọ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá.